Hey, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today we got a 2019 Challenger Scat Pack. Let's go. For those who don't know, it's 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pounds of torque. But this one is far from that. Got a little juice on it. We're going to talk to the owner and see what all he's done to it and future mods. Alright, this is the owner. I'm going to let him go ahead and take over. Talk about it.
It's my 2019 Scat Pack Challenger, and I got it because I like the retro look to it. I feel it's got a better look than the Camaros and Mustangs for the old school vintage look, and I love the way it rides, and it's got that low end torque like a big block muscle car used to have.
Alright, here's the heart of the beast. Now, I got behind it a couple times. She don't sound stock. Tell us a little bit what you done to her.
Okay, I've got full bolt-ons. It's got the Hellcat lower box, Hellcat upper lid, ported throttle body, ported intake manifold, GLT catch can, a 180-degree thermostat, a SLP underdrive crank pulley. It's got the 1 7/8 inch BBK ported shorty headers with cat delete pipes and some glass packs and a custom 3-inch catback. It has the Hemi Fever 93 octane performance tune with the Hemi Fever TCM transmission tune also.
And how much horsepower is that good for?
I've never dynoed it, but I'd say around 480 to the wheels, and then I've done a lot of weight reduction on it also.
That's how you do. You take that weight out the back. Just 2 seats, player and a freak. And what is the best time have you got out of her? Have you tracked
I ran an 11:51, and best mile per hour is 120.60 miles an hour.
Got any future plans for it?
My main future plan will be the Demon Springs for better drag strip times.
So you're trying to get into low 11s, high 10s?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, looks like it's going to be an all-motor Hellcat eater here for too long.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, that's gonna do it, guys. I greatly appreciate the owner Craig bringing this bad 392 out. I definitely enjoy shooting it today, and definitely be on the next video for his future mods. Any words?
Peace.
Peace.